So, very good morning from the basement. We are in the building process of our Mario box at the moment. This one, try to get it a bit better focused. So, this one is 15 hours into the print, 8 more to go. We have 23 hours of total print time for this one. Coming out nicely now. We have a little warpage, you might recognize it, but all the buttons are printed. We are ready to fix it later, and yeah, then put another lid, printer lid, and then we'll be fine. But I think I'll add a rim, a better rim to the just for the adhesion, and that'll be fixing the warpage, I hope. We're setting up number one now. For next print is the cone tip. We printed the cone yesterday. Some of you might have seen the photos already. This one, yeah, the bridging did not work out that well. Should have added a little support there, but now it's just the nose cone tip. That should take under an hour. Here we go. Come on. Wind turbine prints. The 3000 series. And let me check number 7. The nose cone tip. Here we go. So that's it for now from the basement. And yeah, have a great day. And happy printing for everybody.